Hello everyone, so today I'll be doing an unboxing of the Starlink user terminal. I signed up for it more than a year ago and it finally arrived today. So let's open it up and have a look what's inside of the box. I think this is still the old version of the terminal because of the image here, which shows a round dish. They are actually manufacturing a new terminal which is smaller in size and cheaper to manufacture. Make your guesses now. Is it a new or an old terminal? So this is the instructions. Basically, take the terminal out, place it on the ground, connect the power injector, and then connect to your device via Wi-Fi. Let's have a look. And yes, it is still one of the old dishes. This seems to be the base. This is nice quality. Then everything here is already connected, so like Elon Musk said, it's just set it up, apply power, and that's it. But I'm gonna just unplug these connections here just so I can show each of the devices. Okay, this is the little Starlink router access point thing. Here we have the auxiliary port. This would be the WAN port and this would be the LAN port. This part is built from metal, this part is built from plastic. Let's have a look at this device here. So this is the power injector. Supplies a PoE output 1 at 2 times 56 volts at 1.6 ampere. And the output 2 is 56 volts at 0.3 ampere. In a total of 180 watts. It feels very, very heavy. It's like a big laptop power supply kind of feeling to it. Here as well, the white and the gray port, and there are 2 LEDs here, or I assume those are LEDs, which probably light up to show that the output is active. It comes actually with a Swiss plug here for Switzerland. I would have expected it to come with a Schuko plug. And then finally we find a very long cable, which is very heavy, so high quality cable. And our dish. I'm actually very happy that I got the old style dish, because the new style dish doesn't come with this adapter here and doesn't have the Ethernet ports. So it basically has a proprietary connector which connects directly into the Starlink router. You apply power to the Starlink router, so these two parts are integrated now into one unit, which makes it harder to use different hardware. It's pretty solid now, like this. And this cable must be really long. I'm pretty sure this is probably like 20 meters. This might be kind of interesting. Radio frequency band and maximum power levels. The radio frequency band that the Starlink dish is communicating in between 14.0 and 14.5 gigahertz. So that's 500 megahertz of bandwidth. Yeah, I think that pretty much concludes the unboxing. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. Bye.